Hello there, it's Blighting Otaku once again with another, well, package. This one is different. There is a reason for this, because if I turn over here, you see there is something missing. Because what originally was there, I used to call the world's most expensive alarm clock, because it was a £100 dock, speaker dock, and I think at the time, over £300 4th gen iPod Touch. Yeah, as I said, world's most expensive alarm clock. And what is in here, because of issues with both the speaker and the iPod, although the iPod is still functioning, and I'll probably still need to keep it in service. This is mostly going to be its replacement, and this time I have the knife ready, and I can't see it, but I actually gave it a little clean to try to see if I could actually get this stuff open before I started filming, but well, yep, that's good. There we go. And right, well that's one. I've probably got to do a score down there. I think if I'm just take this top piece off. Okay. On. There we go. Oh. Yep. I think I'm going to have to score down there. And right, hang on. Right. So this is alright. So here we go. Huh. Yep. And let's see if I can get this. Yep. Yeah. I'm in. You can probably just about see what it is there, but oh, and it's upside down. Okay. No invoice in the packet. And there we go. Blimey, we're down one notch already. But what we have here is a Panasonic SCHC195 compact stereo system. Right. I think this time I'm going to do a jump cut to actually get this thing out of this box. I'm not going to be managing this camera and opening that. Back in a flash. Jump cut complete, and well, empty box, load of crap, and Well, it's nice and black. I'm guessing that is the LCD panel. But the thing is, yeah, all of this stuff, this is the reason why I got this. The USB port at the back. Because this thing, in itself, is actually an alarm clock. It can actually be set to wake up. And I just put this. Ow! That is quite immense. Right, so I think next step to do is wire it up and power it up. Be back in a flash. Jump cut. And we're in low light land. So I'll just turn it around. Just plugged it all in, plugged it into the mains, and we did get an indication from here. So if I press this, hello. Yep. Right. Huh. Reading. No disk. Well then, let's find the disk. Back in a minute. And we're back. And, well, instead of finding some CD, that'll probably get me copyright struck in a heartbeat, let's go for the old Magi Madoka Magica bonus soundtrack. Reading, CD. Hang on. There we go. 13/28/11. Oh, nice. Hang on. Right, let's see. Oh, and it gives track times. Let's adjust that slightly. Yep, that is nice. Like that. You can actually dim the display. Yeah. Right, well, the next test is going to be how well it handles the old CD. Back in a bit, see? And back, and as I was being a complete and total idiot, this is what I meant. USB, not CD. So I got a couple of these PNY 16 gig USB drives, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack it in. And see how it likes it. USB. Okay, display. Right, 17, 13, drive, Route 213. Oh, I don't think it has a title for this. Ah! So if I do this, yes, and it even reads the ID3 tags. Yep, full stop. Yes. So, well, what was the reason why I actually purchased this? Well, partially, yep. Oh, it's reading file names and not... Well, the reason why I actually bought this was because... get it straight. The only reason I actually bought this was because, well, what is over there now, and it just stats, and it's now just being a clock and, well, a charger for the iPod, and that was originally my alarm, as I originally said. This is the reason why I got this, as I said, is because it has alarm functionality. I can set it to wake me up, and because I can set it to run off MP3 files, either from a USB stick or from a CD. That's bonus. Although what I'll have to do is try and configure it and see if it actually, and let's see. Yes, it can't do. Yeah. So this is pretty much going to be my alarm clock from now on, although it'll probably need some tweaking. Yeah. It doesn't actually fit on the desk fit on this table that well. Well, I mean, that's got a nice mechanism to it. I could probably push it back a bit. Try and keep focus. Yeah. Sleep, clock, timer adjust, timer set, auto off. Software version. So, wait. Goodbye. And it's now off. And it's about time I put this short video to bed, because I'll have to render it tonight, although I won't be using DaVinci Resolve to do it. So also I'll need to be loading some music onto that for tonight. So I'm probably going to have to figure out a way to order it so that it runs in a random pattern and doesn't just play everything through from one end to t'other. Although I think putting numbering the files might work, because right, and go to USB, change the display mode. Right, and go, yeah, additional 1, root. Volume 2 original soundtrack. And it should now, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, and I think these are actually numbered in the not, yeah, it's actually reading off the file information and not the ID3 tag. This is 05. I think these are actually numbered in the actual files. So, well, one way to find out. So I think I might actually have these on the old noise box. So, right. Haven't really done anything here. Don't think I... Project High School is dead. High School is dead. Nope. 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 Might not be in this folder tree. Hang on. Need to straighten that out. It's funny. Say this isn't gonna. I'm gonna put this to bed. Yep, I think it might actually be all on. Yeah, I think it's all going to be over in that computer. So, on this, we should now finally put things to an end. So, this is Blighty Otaku signing off. Until next time, I'll catch you laters. And bonus video time, although it's taken me several attempts at a battery recharge to get this done, because the battery in this thing is about as much use as a titch on a fish. Not being polite on that, but yeah. So the file names originally had numbers, but as I actually found out, that is a moot point, so I don't have to actually do any of this to try and get a randomized list, because, well, it has its own randomization feature that works with the timer. Although one thing I will have to do, do this, is to actually increase, zoom it in. I'll have to re-rip some of this stuff to actually have the audio sound, well, have the quality be less noise and less background interference and more actual noise. So it looks like everything is going to be redone. But at least all I have to do is change these, rename all of this lot. Then it should actually work to a decent level. So yeah, at least this time I've actually managed to get this filmed without, well, the battery clapping out. Though I've got the drive plugged in, So what I will be doing later on is dumping a metric crap ton of files over, changing any minor data, and, well, leaving it at that. So, once again, this is Blighty Otaku signing off. Until next time, I'll catch you laters.